Hey travelers, this is a quick tour of my room at the Delano in Las Vegas. Let me start with this freaking carpet. I love this texture. This pattern was gorgeous and it goes all the way through the whole entire room. Actually, this hotel room was kind of impressive because they did a lot of little things that kicked it up a notch, like that little brass plate under the TV, and they also had this textured wall behind the TV that was really nice. So the Delano is all suites, and this room is 725 square feet. I love that this room had two windows, one in the living room space and then one in the bedroom. Oh, I love this alarm clock. I didn't use it, but it's one of those alarms that lights up to kind of give you a natural sunlight feeling when you're waking up in the morning. I thought it was cute. One thing I'm always looking for in a hotel room is storage space. While this was a work trip and I was only in town for 3 days and I was by myself, I love that they had all this space here. That's me being silly. They had a really nice big bathroom and this tub was gorgeous. I did not step foot in it, but I wanted to so bad. They had this aromatherapy in the shower that was attached to the shower head. This stay took place after COVID, and so this is an air filtration system that filters the air in the room. I can't remember how many hours it takes, but basically it will filter the full room and you'll have fresh air every so many hours. Last but not least, it had this great half bath right off of the entryway, which makes the room perfect for meetings because you can meet in this beautiful living room space and have your guest hit the bathroom without stepping in your bedroom. And that's everything. You guys enjoy your stay. Thanks. Bye.